Hey friend, Brent here. Welcome to our training about affiliate marketing. Most affiliate programs out there may offer you 25, 30, or even 50%, and some of the best ones go as high as 80%. And that's if you can get accepted to join them. But what if I told you there was an affiliate program out there that was free to join, where everyone gets approved, and get this, it pays 566% on every sale. Yes, you read that right. For every $15 sale, this company gives you $100 in affiliate commissions. That kind of blows your mind, right? Not only that, but if you can promote this product, there are a ton of other products in this niche that you can promote as well to make even more money. And the best part is, this isn't even an ebook or an online course or another information product. But before I jump in and share with you this thought, welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you've been around for a while but you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that like button. While you're there, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I release new content. My channel is dedicated to helping you succeed in making an online business, and I also release new videos each week. So I don't want you to miss out when I create new content. The program that I'm going to show you today is actually a software that every business owner or entrepreneur can use. I use them and trust them for my own business, and chances are you're already using something like this too. The company is GetResponse. They're an awesome email service provider that has some of the best features and the best pricing in the industry. For their simple $15 a month plan, GetResponse offers unlimited landing pages, autoresponder features, and full-blown sales funnel building for the ability to sell e-commerce products. That's more than the average online business or local brick and mortar would ever need, all for $15 a month. But here's the crazy part that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Let's check their online affiliate program. Now, they do have an option to earn 33% each and every month, which is a great plan if you're working with companies that have a huge email list. But if you're getting started, GetResponse will pay you $100 for every sale you make, including just their $15 option. That's 566%. I don't think there's a better deal in the industry right now, and it's probably not going to last forever, so definitely check it out. Now you might be thinking, that's great and all, but how do I actually promote this thing? Well, there are a few options available to you. You can create videos reviewing different email platforms like MailChimp, Aweber, etc., and then compare the features that GetResponse offers. That's kind of a hint about what you could talk about. Their landing pages are still some of the best I've seen coming from email service providers. Number 2, you can also contact local business owners that can use email marketing and offer to show them how to set it up for free as long as they use your affiliate account. Look, there's so many small businesses from coffee shops to local handymen, and they don't use email marketing. If you just show 10 of them how to get started for $15 a month, that's $1,000 in your pocket just for helping local businesses. Number 3, you can start your own email list on digital marketing that teaches people basic strategies. And if you're thinking, I don't know anything about email marketing, well, hey, the internet is flooded with great blogs, YouTube videos, and websites that you can learn for free and share what you're learning. The great part about this method is that you build your own email list. You can promote other products in that niche to increase your earnings even more. And if that method sounds appealing to you, I want to give you a special invitation for sticking around till the end of this video. See, I found a program that allows you to plug into a professionally designed funnel that actually does just that. It allows you to promote programs like GetResponse, ClickFunnels, and world-class digital marketing training on autopilot. You are literally partnering with an expert and benefiting from the exact methods that they use to generate hundreds of dollars in sales each month, if not more. This program was developed by Anthony Morrison and is called Partner with Anthony. I found tremendous value with this course and have been sharing it online with marketers and business owners ever since I've signed up. And the best part about this is that it only costs $7 per month. And you also get done-for-you funnels and email sequences, plus world-class training, and you also get access to promoting an ecosystem of products and services. It is seriously so worth it. If you've tried online marketing before and haven't had the success that you'd like, or if you haven't started your online business, then this is really an opportunity for you. Check it out by clicking on the link in the description below. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies that generate income today, check out this video I've linked in the cards above or in the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've already tried salary supplementing side hustles. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.